So now just head over to No Plugins Enabled, scroll down, click on Plugin Store. Now you can choose which plugins you want to install. Hi, my name is Mr. Raccoon. I make AI tutorials, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can access Chat GPT plugins. Bad things first, to use the Chat GPT plugins you need a Plus subscription. It's roughly about $20 a month. To activate it, basically just click on the left side, Renew Plus or Upgrade Plan, and you type in your credit card information and stuff, and you're good to go. After you upgrade to the Plus version, you just go down to the three dots on the left side, and then you can click on Settings, click on Beta Features, and then you can activate Browse with Bing. This is for the web search function, and also you can activate plugins. That easy. Once you activated ChatGPT plugins, you can hover over GPT-4, click on plugins, and then there's a drop-down menu which says No Plugins Enabled. If you click this drop-down menu, you will see something like this. You can activate 3 plugins at a time. If I scroll down, there's the plugin store. In the plugin store, you can find the most popular plugins, you can find new plugins, you can find all plugins and the installed ones. To find the right plugin for your needs, you can use my free Notion database. You will find the link down in the description below, but a much easier way is to use the search function. Just type in what you're looking for. So for example, if you want an SEO plugin, just type in SEO and you will find all those SEO plugins. If you want a plugin for PDFs, just type in PDF and there are all your PDF plugins. To install one of those plugins, just click on Install, then it's automatically activated. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will answer every comment. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.